Okay, good afternoon. Today we will to continue for the next video. This is LAX story 2017 group 2. And today we will to discuss which one will be our final storyline. And my name is Zhen. My matching number is 199548. My faculty of the Economic and Management. So, can we introduce yourself?
I'm Zhen. My matching number is 199.4. I'm from Faculty of Modern Language and Communication and study in journalism. Okay, so next one.
Right. Hello everyone, my name is Hiba jebrini. My metric number is 2017114 and I'm from Education Faculty.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Robeeah Binti Ahmad and my matrix number is 20288. My course is Human Development and I'm first year.
So, do you have some interesting story can share with us to choose for our final story?
Yes, I have one story that I think is so interesting. The story that is Don't Soup, which is what can I learn from this story is by working together with everyone, contributing what they can, a greater good is achieved.
Okay. How about the Hiba?
Can you tell us more about the story? What happened? Just brief. What happened in the story? What is the magical soup?
About the stone soup.
Yeah, the stone soup.
What we can from the story, I can summarize that. There is what we say. Everything don't have perfectly the things,
yeah.
but they just sharing together to get a good what they want to achieve. So the result is good because the sharing is caring, that we can say like that.
Yes, how about you, Hiba? Can you give us a simple example for us?
Yeah, I do agree with Robeeah. I do agree with her because this magical soup is made out of nothing at the beginning, but when all the people starts to help and the person starts to add something to the soup, it starts to be a real soup. So like, it's a true thing that, one hand doesn't clap. You need the other people to help you pass this. I think the true magical thing about this is not the real meaning, but the metaphorical meaning. What you get out of this story is really valuable.
So can you give a story from you? Give a simple story.
Come again? Your voice is very low.
Can you give us a story example from you?
For example, from similar to this one? Or it's just
up to you, just a story.
Simple.
I mean, can you give a story, because each of us need to give a story. Then we choose one story.
Okay. I think I choose the ant and honey story. I really like that story.
But
I
we
really like that story.
already have to read this story in our the first video.
So we need a new one, right?
Yeah.
We need a new one. So what can I think? Could it be a famous story, or it has to be unknown?
Up to you. You just give a
Alright.
little the example for us, and we to choose which one from us, which one is the better. We choose which one.
All right. I really like the story of. It's was really famous when I was a child. It's about the rabbit and the turtle. When the rabbit underestimated the turtle, and then she won the race because she was a hard working. Won the race, but the rabbit took a nap, and then he was like, "She is very, very slow. She cannot reach the ending." And she won, and he was asleep. But yeah, you need to be a hardworking. All right, that's about it for me.
How about you, Taji? Judy?
Okay, I have a very simple and very simple story. I think all of you have heard this story. It's about a girl. This kind of word, you know, is very simple, and this word they want it wants to drink water, but the you can't touch this water because the bottle is so high. So this bird will it choose to take many stones in this bottle. So the water will be high and the bird can eat. And it's a very simple story that tells we need to be creative to think about how to solve problems. And I think the stone soup is a good story. I read it.
So you agree with the stone soup, right?
Yeah, I want to choose this story. So simple.
Alright, now I will to share you one story from me is if you give me the 3 days of the sunshine. Have you listened from that? The writer is Helen Keller. Have you read it before?
No, I don't think so.
Um,
Which one?
Helen Keller.
No. I recap.
During this story is said about the one way to have a girl she cannot see anything, and when she just write a story from herself. If the girl can give she the 3 days of the sunshine means she can see the around the world. During this story, have to share with us what she want to see if she can see the person or the things of the world. And so I think this have a little bit the education for us to tell us we need to make sure our the life. So can we choose the one story from us? you want to choose which one story to be our the final story?
I would like to choose stone soup. I think it's good.
Yeah, I also listen from the Raha. I think this also is a very help the more educational for us, right?
Yeah.
So how about you? Hiba, can you agree with us to choose the store soup?
Yeah, I do agree with you. Actually, I was going to choose the stone soup as well, because I do really like it as well.
Maybe we think you
Up
need
to you
to
now.
follow us because we all choose about this story. Maybe you can try.
Yeah, you mean I choose another story? I like this story. It's okay. I agree with you.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
So our the final story will be the stove soup.
Okay.
Okay. So we will to read by ourselves and meeting next video.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
See you.
Bye bye.
Okay, and see
Bye
you
bye.
guys again.
Thank you.